Chopper has arrived at Cashman. The cash is out. Fat Joe's got nothing on this guy. They're making it rain.
Get to the chopper.
Dollar bills raining down here in Sin City. And the lights fans, it's a mad dash to get the cash.
You gotta follow the downward flow right into the middle. But then everything's starting to spray out as well. Keep yourself on the outskirts. Everything's starting to push. This is an absolute melee for money.
Where's the referee in all this madness?
It's a bribery. The men in black doing the dirty work. How about that? And they said it's 5,000 with $1 bills. They've sprinkled some tens and hundreds in as well.
Some of these fans running out of room as to where to stash the cash.
You gotta have studs on. Who comes in flats? You gotta have cleats on, chasing all this, get proper planning.
And look at Cash, encouraging everybody on.
Where's Dolly and Dottie? But they're not allowed to get involved.
And that's gonna do it. It looks like he's kicked.
Ready, baby. Thank you. Las Vegas Lights, you guys are lit, baby.